Hi, today I'm going to show you about the Avocado and Teamtailor integration. To start off, you'd connect your Teamtailor and Avocado account, which I've already done. And in this video, I will focus on exactly how the setup works and what is possible. So to start off, you'd start with creating a configuration, which is basically a connection between a template and Teamtailor. So you choose a template. You can do multiple ways. I've chosen the employee form and I've connected it here. I've also named the configuration this so that I know what it is. Then I've kept all the fields that are possible to pull in from Teamtailor, and I've made the configuration active. These are just general settings you can do. To get more into detail, you jump into field mapping. Here you can see that I've already mapped, but basically here on the left side, you see the template data fields available in for that template. And against them, you can map all the available fields in Teamtailor as you please. This is all very standard, how we've done all the other integrations. But what changes, firstly, is in the pull triggers. So here, the webhooks and the status monitor are the kind of regular elements that we always have. But the new element is pulling documents from the candidate, meaning if the candidate has uploaded any resume, CV, whatnot, then this will be pulled into the document that you are generating, and you just need to turn it on if you want this to happen. Then we have webhooks, which are the capability or really giving the client capability to develop the triggers for document creation on their own if they wish. And also status monitor is something that they can set up so that when the candidate's status reaches a certain point, a document is generated. The second new thing is under push triggers. Uh, that is the update candidate status. So what we previously had is just updating the contract or uploading the contract into the software when it's done. But now you can also set that in whatever certain status, the candidate status in Teamtailor changes to that set status. So here you can see all the ADOC statuses in Avocado that you can select from, and here you can see the available Teamtailor statuses for the candidate that are um, in my account. And lastly, we have sharing, which is very straightforward. Here you can set the document ownership. You can pull in some roles from Teamtailor, the recruiter, the candidate, and you can also select more people from Avocado, meaning if you have a CEO or someone you know always approves or always signs, you can set them here. Now that the configuration has been set, I'm going to show you how to generate a document. There's a couple of ways. One is an automatic flow, one is doing it via the My Documents page, but today I'll show it to you from here, just so we can kind of quickly show the main points. To start off, you're going to jump over to the software and copy the employee's ID and paste it here. By clicking here, I'm generating a preview of the document just to see that I'm pulling in the right person's data and I've set up everything correctly. And to create the document, I click here. This initiates the document with all the necessary documents or settings I've set. So you can see here, here's the generated document, here's the added file that was on the person. Here you can see the collaborators set. And all in all, this is kind of it. Here you go on based on your own flow, but I'd also like to show you how the updating of the person's status in Teamtailor happens. Now, as you saw, I set the document in approved status to update the person's or the candidate's status in Teamtailor. So I'll send this out for approval. And I went ahead and had it approved on the background. And now you can see that the document is in approving status. And if we jump over to the candidate in Teamtailor and we give it a refresh, then we can see that the person's status has been set to hired, as we set in the configuration. And you can also see an activity log here and an activity log for the document. And basically this is it. You could, well, I showed you how you can set up the configuration and also the new cool features that we've added in. Hopefully this was helpful, and I hope you can enjoy our newest integration.